Hello students. So we are on differentiation of inverse functions. We have already started with exercise 1.2 and completed with group number 1. Now let's start with group 2 questions of exercise 1.2. So group 2, we want to find the derivative of the inverse function of the following. So we are given the y function and we want to find out what is dx divided by dy. So let's see what has to be done for this type of sums. So let's start group 2 question number 1. Group 2 question number 1 is y is equal to x square into e raised to x. So first we are going to find out what is dy by dx and then we'll find out what is dx divided by dy. So since we are given that in the solution we are given y is equal to x square into e raised to x. So we'll differentiate this function with respect to x. As we differentiate the function, we get dy by dx is equal to, this is dy by dx is equal to u into v अप्लाई करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा x square into this is derivative of e raised to x plus this is e raised to x into derivative of x square. So that value is equal to x square as it is, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is, derivative of x square is 2x. So that value is same as, we can take something common. So here the term that are common is x into e raised to x is taken common. Remaining term over here is x plus 2. So now this value is nothing but dy by dx, but we are not interested in dy by dx. We want to find out what is dx divided by dy. So dx divided by dy is nothing but 1 upon dy by dx. So we have already found out dy by dx. We'll put it over here. That value is 1 upon, this is x into e raised to x multiplied by x plus 2, and that is the answer. Now previously we have done it अदर वे राउंड. हमने पहले dy बाई dx फाइंड आउट करने के लिए dx बाई dy पहले फाइंड आउट किया और फिर उसको उसका रेसिप्रोकल फाइंड आउट कर दिया. सो टू फाइंड आउट dy बाई dx, हियर वी आर डूइंग द अदर वे राउंड. वी वांट dx बाई dy. नाउ लेट्स take one more question from this group. So the second group sub question number 5 we are taking. Here we are given y is equal to x into log of x. Again we'll directly differentiate the function with respect to x. That will give us dy by dx is equal to, again applying u into v. So this is x into derivative of log of x plus this is log of x into derivative of x. Now here we are differentiating with respect to x. So x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus here log of x as it is, derivative of x is 1. Now here x get cancelled in the first term. So the term remaining is 1 plus log of x. This value is nothing but dy by dx, and we are interested in finding the value of dx divided by dy. So dx divided by dy is 1 upon dy by dx, and that will give us the value 1 upon 1 plus log of x, and done. So this is group number 2 questions. Very simple questions there. We'll start with group number 3 now. Now group number 3 is find the derivative of the inverse of the following function and also find their values at the point indicated against them. So here you want to find out what is the value of dx by dy and at x is equal to whatever value is given, we want to find out what is dx by dy for that particular value. So we are looking at the first sub question. In the solution, let's write down what is the value of y. We are given y is equal to x raised to 5 plus this is 2x cube plus this is 3x. We know how to find out dx by dy. So same method यहाँ पे apply करेंगे जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में अप्लाई किया. सो हियर विल डिफरेंशिएट दिस फंक्शन with respect to x. That will give us dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to derivative over here is 5x raised to 4 plus this is 6x square plus 3. So we have got the value of dy by dx. But we want the value of dx by dy. So dx by dy is equal to, this is 1 upon dy by dx. So let's put the value, that is 1 upon, now here this value is 5x raised to 4 plus 6x square plus 3. This is the value of dx by dy. But we want to find out at x is equal to 1. So dx divided by dy at x equal to 1 is equal to, this value is 1 upon, wherever you see x you will put the value as 1. So this is 5 into 1 raised to 4, 1 raised to 4 plus this is 6 multiplied by 1 square plus 3. So calculate करेंगे इसको तो ये value हो जाएगा, this is 1 upon 5 plus 6 plus 3 and that value comes out to be, this is 1 upon 14 and done. ये ग्रुप में सभी सम्स इसी तरह से करने हैं. पहले dx by dy का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे और फिर जो भी x का वैल्यू उन्होंने पूछा है वो वैल्यू वहां पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे एंड दैट इज द एंड ऑफ द ग्रुप. सो और 3 क्वेश्चन है इसके अंदर, प्लीज ट्राई दो सम्स. We'll look at question number 4 now. Now question number 4 is, if we are given f of x is equal to x cube plus x minus 2, we want to find out f inverse dash of 0. Now let's see what is given over here. So in the solution, we are given the value of f of x. So f of x का value हमारे पास है x cube plus x minus 2. Now when we have started the theorem, तो theorem में हमने जो alternate method सीखा था, तो वो alternate method में हमने सीखा था f inverse dash of f of x is equal to 1 upon f dash of x. This we have seen, right? So now we are going to use this over here. ये sum के लिए हम ये use करने वाले हैं. So now here f of x value is given to you. F of x value कितना दिया है? 0 दिया है. And we want to find out f inverse dash of that 0. So now let's see what all things we are going to do over here. So here let us consider this value as y. Suppose this value is y. Okay. So let us consider x cube plus x minus 2 is equal to y. तो हमें मिला है y is equal to, this is x cube plus x minus 2, right? Now we want to find out what is f inverse of y, inverse dash, right? So we are just going to use this formula again. So let's apply. So since हम पहले इसको differentiate करते हैं with respect to x, so that will give us dy by dx is equal to, this term is nothing but f dash of x, right? ये हमारा fx है तो f dash of x हो जाएगा. So f dash of x हमें मिलता है, this is 3x square plus 1. I hope you have understood this. Now we want to find out what is f inverse dash of f of x. F of x is nothing but y. So that value is 1 upon f dash of x. अब एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स हमने निकाला है, यहाँ पे पुट कर देते हैं तो हमें मिलता है देयरफॉर एफ इनवर्स डैश of f of x is equal to 1 upon 3x square plus 1. Let us call this one as equation number 1 and let us call this as equation number 2. अब हमें क्या दिया है, जस्ट नाउ आई हैव टोल्ड यू f of x का वैल्यू हमें कितना दिया है 0, राइट. सो since we know that y is equal to this is x cube plus x minus 2, so we get y is equal to f of x is equal to minus 2, right. So this value we have got. Now this what when it has happened, so this has happened when x is equal to 0. As you put x is equal to 0 in this equation, see what happens, it becomes minus 2. So हमें मिला y is equal to minus 2. अब हमें चाहिए है f dash f inverse dash of 0. So that value is equal to 1 upon f dash of 0. अब ये हमारे पास है, लेट्स अप्लाई इट ओवर हियर. सो एज वी पुट द वैल्यू ओवर हियर, ये वैल्यू हमें मिल जाएगा, दिस इज 1 अपॉन 3 इंटू एक्स की जगह पे हम डाल देंगे 0 प्लस 1. सो दैट वैल्यू इज 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस 1 एंड वी गेट f inverse dash of 0 is equal to 1 and done. This is how it has to be done. So this is question number 4. Now let's look at group number 5 question. There are two questions which we want to prove. Let's look at group 5. Here, using the derivatives, prove that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to 1 by 2. So, in the solution, let us consider the left hand side. So, let us consider this left hand side is f of x. So, f of x is equal to, this is tan inverse x plus this is cot inverse x. We'll differentiate this function with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, हमें मिल जाता है f dash of x is equal to derivative of tan inverse. Derivative of tan inverse is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Derivative of cot inverse होता है -1 divided by 1 plus x square. Now one is positive term, the second one is a negative term. So cancel करते हैं दोनों को तो हमें मिल जाएगा f dash of x is equal to 0. अब हमें क्या मिला, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द फंक्शन इज 0. तो ऑब्वियस है कि जो फंक्शन हमारा है वो कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए क्योंकि कांस्टेंट का डेरिवेटिव ही 0 होता है. सो दैट इज व्हाई वी कैन से दैट f of x is a constant function. So we are considering that this becomes a constant function. तो अगर ये constant function है, we can say that let this f of x is equal to say c, where c is a constant. And c can take any value. Okay, so therefore we can say, let us consider x is equal to 0 then. So therefore that will give us the value 0. So putting the value over here हमें मिल जाता है, this is our equation number 1. Equation 1 में put कर देते हैं x is equal to 0. So what do you get over there? So from equation 1 we get tan inverse of 0 plus, here we get cot inverse of 0. So that is equal to, this is from equation number 1. So from equation number 1 we are getting this. Tan inverse 0 का वैल्यू हमें पता है, the value is 0. Cot inverse 0 का वैल्यू हो जाता है pi by 2. तो हमें मिला the right hand side, that is you get this value is equal to pi by 2. Now let's put the value in equation number 1. So when we put it in equation number 1, we are going to get the value as, hence we can say that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 and hence it is proof. In the similar way second one भी आप proof कर सकते हो. So second जो दिया है वो आपको homework के लिए है. So please complete that. Let's take questions of group 6 now. Now group number 6 onwards, all the questions are differentiate the following with respect to x. तो हमें function दिया है जिसको हमें differentiate करना है. So let's start with group number 6. We are starting with the second sub question of group 6. We are given y is equal to cosec inverse e raised to minus x. Now let's look at this question. अब इसको सॉल्व करने के दो तरीके हैं. आई विल शो यू बोथ द मेथड्स. सो द फर्स्ट मेथड ओवर हियर इज, so solution, let us consider y is equal to this value is cosec inverse e raised to minus x. हम इसको डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे with respect to x. So as we differentiate the function we get dy by dx is equal to cosec inverse का फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव का फॉर्मूला हमारे पास है, that is cosec inverse formula. I will just write down. We know that derivative of cosec inverse f of x is equal to, this is 1 upon f of x minus 1 upon f of x into this is root of f of x square minus 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स. नॉर्मली एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स इधर ही लिखते हैं ये वन के साथ, बट विल राइट इट ओवर हियर, सो उसका डिफरेंशिएशन अलग से करेंगे. सो दिस वैल्यू इज माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाय, अब यहाँ पे देखें एफ एक्स का वैल्यू है ई रेज टू माइनस एक्स, सो दिस इज ई रेज टू माइनस एक्स इंटू रूट ऑफ दिस इज ई रेज टू माइनस एक्स whole square minus 1 into this is derivative of e raised to minus x. So let's find the derivative of that term. ये ऐसे ही रखते हैं, this is minus 1 divided by this term is e raised to minus x into root of e raised to minus x का square हो जाएगा e raised to minus 2x minus 1 into e raised to minus x का डेरिवेटिव e raised to minus x into derivative of e raised to minus x. So e raised to minus x. So that value is equal to, this is minus 1 divided by e raised to x, sorry, e raised to minus x into this is root of e raised to minus 2x minus 1 into this is e raised to minus x multiplied by, sorry, here the value should be, this is minus x, no? डेरिवेटिव ऑफ माइनस एक्स. फॉर्मूला हमारे पास था डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ई रेज टू एफ एक्स. सो ई रेज टू एफ एक्स का डेरिवेटिव होता है ई रेज टू एफ एक्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स. वी आर जस्ट यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला हियर. सो माइनस एक्स का डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगा माइनस 1. सो लेट्स राइट इट प्रॉपरली नाउ. नाउ दिस वैल्यू यहाँ पे e रेज टू माइनस एक्स कैंसिल हो जाएगा, माइनस 1 गेट कैंसिल विथ माइनस 1 ओवर हियर. रिमेनिंग टर्म इज 1 अपॉन दिस वैल्यू इज रूट ऑफ e रेज टू माइनस 2x माइनस 1. अब पावर नेगेटिव है तो उसको हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे पॉजिटिव में, तो ये हो जाएगा 1 अपॉन दिस इज रूट ऑफ 1 अपॉन e रेज टू 2x माइनस 1. सो दैट कम्स आउट टू बी, so that term is same as this is 1 upon एलसीएम ले लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 1 माइनस ई रेज टू 2x डिवाइड बाय ई रेज टू 2x. अब ये जो है ई रेज टू 2x डिनोमिनेटर का जो है ई रेज टू 2x वो रूट के बाहर आ जाएगा, तो ये हो जाएगा 1 अपॉन दिस इज रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस ई रेज टू 2x मल्टीप्लाई बाय, ये जो वैल्यू है वो वैसे ही होगा, ये हो जाएगा ई रेज टू एक्स. डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर विल टेक इट टू द न्यूमरेटर, सो दिस इज ई रेज टू एक्स डिवाइड बाय दिस इज रूट ऑफ 1 minus e raised to 2x. So this is one method where you are finding the value of dy by dx. Let me show you another method for solving this same question. Now the next method is easy, but if and only if you know the formulas correctly. Now here you are given y is equal to, this is cosec inverse e raised to minus x. हम इसको लिख सकते हैं, we can write the term as cosec inverse, this is 1 upon e raised to x, right? अब हमारे पास ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के इनवर्स फॉर्मूले हैं, so इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्मूले भी अप्लाई, सो अप्लाइंग द फॉर्मूला, ये वैल्यू हो जाता है, दिस वैल्यू इज साइन इनवर्स ऑफ e रेज टू x, राइट? सो दिस इज 1. अब हम इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, सो दैट विल गिव अस dy बाय dx इज इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स ऑफ fx का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1 अपॉन रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस fx square multiply by derivative of fx, right? So e raised to x का derivative होता है e raised to x divided by this is root of 1 minus e raised to 2x and done. So this you can apply only if you know this formula, then you should know this formula, and then only you can apply it. So you should remember the formulas. सो फॉर्मूला याद रहेगा तो मेथड भी इजी हो जाता है. सो दैट इज ग्रुप नंबर 6, सम नंबर 2. लेट्स टेक अनदर क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ग्रुप 6. Now here we are taking the next question. We are given y is equal to, here y is equal to tan inverse root of x. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, हम इसको डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. सो एज वी डिफरेंशिएट हमें मिल जाता है dy बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स fx का डेरिवेटिव का फॉर्मूला याद होना चाहिए. सो ये हो जाता है डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan इनवर्स fx इज 1 upon 1 plus fx square multiply by f dash of x. So this is the formula, let's apply it. तो ये हो जाएगा 1 upon 1 plus root of x square multiply by derivative of root of x. So that value is 1 upon, this is 1 plus root square cancel कर देगा, so that is 1 plus x into derivative of root x होता है 1 upon 2 root of x. अब इसको हम सिर्फ ठीक से लिखेंगे, ये हो जाएगा 1 upon 2 into root of x multiply by 1 plus x and done. So it was a simple sum. Next, let's look at another question of the same group. Here we are looking at sub question number 8. So we are given here y is equal to, this is sine inverse x raised to 3 by 2. Simple formula apply करना है हमें. We just want to apply derivative of sine inverse f of x. Sine inverse f of x का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1 upon root of 1 minus f of x square into f dash of x. So let's apply the formula here. Differentiating with respect to x will give us dy by dx is equal to sine inverse का derivative 1 upon root of 1 minus, यहाँ पे fx का वैल्यू दिया है x raised to 3 by 2 whole square multiply by derivative of x raised to 3 by 2. So that value is 1 upon, this is root of, ये हो जाएगा 1 minus x raised to 3 into x raised to 3 by 2 का डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगा 3 by 2, x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 करेंगे तो हो जाएगा 1 by 2. So now let's write this properly. ये हो जाएगा 3 divide by, this is 2 into root of 1 minus x cube, and this x raised to half, x raised to half को हम लिख सकते हैं root of x, and that is the answer. Let's take another question from this group, and one last question we'll take from this group. So the question given is, the question given over here is, we are given y is equal to, this is sine raised to 4 of साइन इनवर्स रूट ऑफ एक्स। वैसे तो आप इसको डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएट करके आंसर फाइंड आउट करोगे तो बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा, क्योंकि ये रेस टू 4 है, फिर ये साइन इनवर्स है, फिर यहाँ पे रूट है, देन इट बिकम्स अ वेरी बिग सम। बट इफ यू रिमेंबर, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, साइन रेस टू 4 अगर हमारे पास है तो हम इसको इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं, होल रेस टू 4, राइट। सो अगर ऐसा लिख सकते हैं तो हमने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के इनवर्स फॉर्मूले में ये भी देखा था, साइन ऑफ साइन इनवर्स एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स, वैसे ही होता है साइन इनवर्स ऑफ साइन ऑफ एक्स भी हो जाएगा एक्स। सो वी आर जस्ट यूजिंग द फर्स्ट वन ओवर हियर, सो एज वी अप्लाई इट ओवर हियर, ये हो जाता है साइन, साइन इनवर्स को कैंसिल कर देगा, बचेगा सिर्फ रूट ऑफ एक्स रेज टू 4, and we know what is root of x raised to 4, that is nothing but x square। अब हमारा फंक्शन बहुत सिंपल हो गया, हम इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x एंड दैट विल गिव अस dy by dx is equal to 2x and done। I hope you understood this sum। Sum number 9 and sum number 10 are of similar category, so I hope you understood how to solve these two sums। अगर आप डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन करोगे तो ये बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है। Please remember the formulas, it is easy for you। So let's stop here for the day, students। Have a nice day। Thank you।